Hello everybody, today I show you how to peel the Jicama. It's not hard, it's easy, but in case some of you haven't seen it, someone doesn't know how to do it yet, so it's might be have some of you. So let's see, this is a Jicama. It's, usually I do my way, I don't know other people, but usually if I eat the whole root, I just cut in here and then just peel it. Usually the fresh Jicama is easy for you to peel than the one you keep too long, like mine is 2 months, or since I bought from the store I keep in my house 2 months already. I stored 2 months already. This one, this is a hard one. You have to peel. Sometimes this side is not easy to do. I start this side. Let's see. When it's fresh, you just peel it like this. One time, it's not too many like this one. This one because too dry. But see. The longer you care the harder you have peel the skin because it's dry and the skin stuck on the Jicama. Next time when I bought the fresh one, I will show you again. Okay, it's done. And sometimes when I see somewhere is have some little dark part like this, I pick it up. Done. So that's how you peel the stubborn Jicama. It's not hard stubborn, but because it's dry, but I don't know how to name it. It's a stubborn Jicama. Okay, done. And then now you wash. That's it. Okay. Thank you. Okay, let me show you the skin. Look, you don't throw away much. This is the skin. That's the inside and then the outside. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Dun.